Welcome to Joyce's Sweet Kitchen. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make this beautiful hair. So in this channel, I will not be making only food. I will be showing you other things as well. So guys, if you want to know how I make this hair, stay tuned and let's get started. So I will be using this one of these expression, because I want to make it big. So she wants it to be long, so I will be cutting it into 3. Let's see, into 3. So let me cut it like this. So first of all, I will draw this one. Take one like this and this. Just do it like this, so that it will have that slim tip. So you have to draw it like this. So first of all, before you start, make sure you comb the hair. So I will be separating the hair into 4. So take your cotton comb and separate the hair into 4. This, then from the side, to plate it. So this one is what we'll use for the front. So first of all, I'll be using hair cream and natural gentle touch to rub the hair, so that it will be easy for me to cut. So I'll give her to hold it. Then for the hair, I'll be using soulmates.
rub the roots of the hair. So what you're going to do, comb the hair like this. Take your cotton comb. I'll be doing it big, not small ones. Cut a little like this. Like this. Then we'll use hair comb to rub it. Then comb it a little bit. Take this of the hair. So as you can see, take like this, cut it into, so like this, let this one be bigger than this one. Cut it into 3, then you have two together, take 1. Use 1 to cross it like this. You can see, then hold it in your hands like this. Take it and just flip it around like this. Then you have to share your hair into 3. Cut it like this. Put your hair like this. Just as you can see. Until you leave it together. Weave. Then, when you get to the top like this, what you do, just take it and twist it. Twist it around. Just twist it. Instead of weaving it, you just twist it together like this. So as you can see, I have made the front. See, very beautiful. So let's pack this one. I have to start from the back. So, use it. Put together like this. So, hold it over. just the way we make it before. Just take it, your mat of your comb, and cut a little bit of hair. So you know this place is very painful, so use your comb to rub the neck. So what I'm going to do, cut a little bit of extension, just the way we make it before. This one is a little bit tangled. If it's like this, it's tangled like this, just try to open it. And use your comb to comb it like this. Voila. Put a little bit of comb. Just the way we make it before. Cut it into 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So add 2 together and cut 1 half, just like this. Then this one, you flip it around like this. So 3. Then take it like this. Put it around the hair and divide the hair into 3. Be careful because this neck, this back is very painful, so I will not be tightening it.
So as you can see, it's very beautiful. So I make it big just the way she wants it. So what we are going to do now, we have to trim the hair so that it will be smoother. So use your scissors to trim it, as you are seeing me doing in this video. So make sure you have your hot water in the fire and put it in the bowl and put the hair inside, and use the towel to dry it, and use the towel to massage the hair of the baby, of the person, so that it will not be paining her later. So this is it, guys. After finishing everything, you can see everything is beautiful. So if you want to see more of video like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, share it to your friends and family, and give it a like. Press all bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me in my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and bye bye. See you next time.